Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to talk about an important topic, that is how you can maintain your bio portion for LinkedIn. So your bio should tell what you are doing, and if someone is visiting your profile, so what you can offer that person. So, or say how useful are you for that person. So if I am providing any services, so I can mention hashtags related to my services. So right now I have opened my LinkedIn like main page, so it's like my name. Then you can see here I have also added.
Hey, thanks for conveying your valuable time. This is Shraddha Pandey here.
I have added voice message because like there would be some issue related to pronunciation. So if you want people to pronounce your name in a right manner, so you can also add that voice version. And after that I have put founder at a scale of marketing solution, because I have right now I have started like in the month of September, say 1st September, I have started one startup, scale up marketing solution. So I have added that founder at a scale up marketing solution. Then after, what I do, I am a digital marketing expert, I am an author, I am a writer. So I have added YouTuber, social media specialist, strategist. Then I help companies to grow on online platforms. So scale up marketing solution is a like company where if companies are getting connected with me or with my brand, so we will be helping them by providing services related to digital marketing, writing, graphic designing, so that they can grow on social media platforms or say online platforms in a good manner. So you can also maintain your like bio in a great way. So if you are a student, you can write that like a student, whatever course you are doing, you can also put that. If you are looking for opportunity, you can write that looking for opportunity, something like that. So yeah, also you can see it talks about hashtags. So I don't know whether you will be getting this provision to add hashtags, because there is some certain limit of connections. Once you will reach that number of connections or followers list, then you can like unlock lot of provisions, say live session, and then like different things, newsletter. So yeah, so you need to check it. And also I have, you can also, if I talk about that one link, we can just put one link in our LinkedIn and also Instagram, even Facebook also. So like we used to get confused whether we put Instagram link or we put our website link, or what should we do. So what you can do, you can go to Linktree, you can create one generic link for all the websites or all the platforms, online platforms, like this. If you will click on all in one social media link, then you can see all this, right? And if you will click it, you will direct to my YouTube channel. Okay, so okay, that's it. So now if I talk about this, so it is done. So you can also do this, you can also prefer this. So yeah, thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic to make sure that topic is falling under my like area of expertise, like social media marketing, or something like writing, graphic designing, digital marketing. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye. We'll be coming soon with other set of videos. Bye bye.